Hey, my name's Matt Easton, founder of EastonUniversity.com, most effective sales coaching in the world. If you like this live coaching clip, please make sure you hit the like button. Hopefully you subscribe to the channel and come check us out. See what we're doing over at EastonUniversity.com. Have you tried this? Hey, I've got an idea in terms of your home search that I'd love to get your opinion on. Can you give me a call on my mobile?
Yeah, okay, yeah, okay.
Because, and let's break this down, because I don't, by the way, if you got responses, keep doing what you're doing. But this is, again, a perfect example of how we make our life more difficult than it needs to be, right? You want to have a conversation. Your goal from that message is to have a conversation with that person. Your goal is not to sell them a house, okay? There is no way in hell that you're going to send out a mass blast to 350 people and sight unseen. They're going to just start emailing you listing agreements for you to just sign off on as the agent. You have to eat the elephant in bites. So I want to get your attention, number one. Number two, I want to start a conversation. Then when I start that conversation, I want to give you some insights. Those insights are going to lead to me to be able to ask you questions about your current situation, where you want to take things. Then I'm going to be able to make a recommendation once I understand what's going on in your life. But in that blast message, how's it going? How's the home search going? Anything new? Who's providing consulting to who? Who's providing value to who? You're not providing them any value. And this is something that as a business owner bothers me every single day. People reach out to me all the time. How's Easton University going? Right? Would love to learn more. Man, I see your videos everywhere. I would love to learn more about your strategy and what you're doing. Right? And it makes me want to, I don't do this, but it makes me want to send them a link to my 1-hour private coachings. Those are $950 an hour. If you want to know stuff from me, I'm the one providing you the service. So I tend to, when I message clients, avoid asking them to give me stuff. Information about how's it going. Information about how things have changed. It's not their job to educate us about them. Now, if we lead with hey, I've got an idea I'd love to get your opinion on, right? Can you give me a call on my mobile? Boom, 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 boom. Hey, Russell, what's up? Yeah, so in your, by the way, thanks for calling me back. Hey, I wanted to get your opinion on something. So a lot of market research in your neighborhood has come out, and there's kind of two schools of thought there, because we're seeing prices listed at one rate. But if you really dig into that research, those homes haven't sold in the last 60 days. So there's kind of some differences in what the market is showing home values are and what they really are. Now, I'm not saying a skillful broker can't get that value of what Zillow or HotPads or the website is showing you. Is that something you guys have thought of or that you're seeing? We haven't really thought of that. Got it. In terms of the value of your house, when was the last time you checked at that? Man, summertime. It's 4.9 mil, right? Yeah, so, if it makes sense, I'd love to just kind of do some background research on comps and get you some information in terms of what things are going for now. Not what things are being listed for right now, but the actual price of what's going to move that. Would that be a value to you? Now you're having a conversation. Right? So we make things too hard for ourselves. If I'm going to send out a type of message, like a how's it going message, I'd rather that message be, hey, I've got an idea I want to get your opinion on. There's something I'm seeing that I wanted to make sure you were aware of. I hope you enjoyed this clip, and I hope we see you over at EastonUniversity.com soon. In the meantime, while you're here, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be dropping knowledge on you on a daily basis.